Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error can't hear laptop audio. Chapter 1. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio updating the driver automatically. To start, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Then under Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click on the speaker and select Update Driver. You are going to click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to finish. When finished, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Check if any exist. Chapter 2. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio from the troubleshooter. To start, enter Troubleshoot in the search box. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. When the window opens, click Run located in the audio section. In the wizard that opens, you must confirm the permission and wait for an audio analysis to be done. Chapter 3. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio updating the driver manually. To get started, right-click on Start and click on Device Manager. After that, in Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. Here, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and then you must click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In the list, choose the driver to use, and when you click Next, wait for it to be installed. Chapter 4. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio from advanced options. To start, enter sounds in the search box. Click Change System Sounds. After this, go to the Playback tab. Select the speaker and click Properties. You're going to go to the Advanced tab and check that the DVD option is in the default format field. Apply changes if necessary. Chapter 5. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio reinstalling the driver. To get started, right-click on Start and choose Device Manager. Here, under Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click on the driver and select Uninstall Device. Confirm this by clicking Uninstall. After this, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see that the driver is automatically installed. Chapter 6. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio checking status. To start, enter sounds in the search box. Click Change System Sounds. Now in the Playback tab, confirm that the speaker used is set as default. Chapter 7. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio configuring audio enhancements. To get started, enter sounds in the search box. Click on Change System Sounds. Then in the Playback tab, select the speaker and click on Properties. Then in the Enhancements tab, check the Disable All Enhancements box. Click Apply and OK. Chapter 8. How to fix error can't hear laptop audio restarting the system. For this method, click on the Start menu and from the Shutdown button, click Restart. Wait for the system to reboot to complete this operation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.